How do they niggas fucked up? Hi.
I'm like, stop it. Yeah. Focus on the numbers. Just focus on them.
Ish ibunza.
Hi guys. This time, yeah.
Thando. Hambolala nama-girls. Mehla makho. Ngathi isikhove sidawushukela.
Usile. I was sleeping with you. Penned.
Why did you say my name like you forgot it and you're reminding yourself?
Let me tell it. I'm gonna the truth, go.
Thando, ngiyacela please. Phuma la uyolanda le truth. Mina uScott uzongilebula.
Phela.
Yazi manje izicabanga izinto uScott afuna ukwenza zona. Hayi.
Phela if awuhambi. If mina ngiyahamba. Ish. Uyayazi situation.
Bazokutrapa ne?
Angeke. But uyayazi the situation. Ama-Rice Krispies.
Ama-Rice Krispies angenabo manje. Umuntu angivethe angihalisa isiriyeli yo. Azazi ngadla ama-Cocoa Pops. Awazi lawa kudala lawa amnandi amncanca tops. Hayi lesimba la no. U-Cocoa Pops wamanje hayi. Kunje uthi ngilandeni ntwana yami?
I-truth.
Ne? Yanushilo yazi. Ngathi ngiyayilanda ungasabi. Bhema kuqala manje. Khanda lakhe. Unempumu le-chrome yazi ngibonami.
Fusek. Sunwako. Guys, the network is bad. I am so sorry. Hey, but the way you're looking at him. What do you mean, bruh? You're dating Panda? No. Who's gonna beat you? Nobody.
Bathi yachacha.
Aye, Hambuiland.
Bafuna wena. Bathi yachacha. Bathi bona iyachacha.
Ngichufi yami. Hambuiland.
Hayi baba. Sikuzongitrapa. Namanje ngiphume ekamereni. Umnyango ngushiya uvuliwe uyangibuza uthi who's gonna close this door? Who's gonna close this door? Did you find it open? Emntwana ngicishe ngazichame.